By the time most operators start organising machinery, they're already late. The operators winning the best work are usually positioning well before the contract is officially signed. They're watching how projects are moving, they're planning fleet and staff capacity early, and they already understand what machinery timing and cash flow may look like before urgency appears. Because once the work lands, the window to move can become very small. We're seeing that right across civil, transport, infrastructure, and regional projects, especially now where project timelines are tighter, machinery availability shifts quickly, and mobilisation timing matters more than ever. And the reality is, sometimes waiting too long to organise equipment costs far more than the finance itself. Missed mobilisation windows, delayed starts, or not having the right machine available can impact revenue before the job even begins. That's why strong operators focus heavily on readiness. At TMF, we help businesses position earlier through machinery finance, project visibility, lender strategy, and practical planning built around how operators actually work. Because the businesses moving fastest are rarely making rushed decisions. They're usually the ones who planned before the opportunity officially arrived.